So I came back over here, and what we have on stall, on scene. We are picking up the SUV that got in the accident. We're gonna take it down right now. So we're moving the people from the SUV into Alfredo's truck. So we're not only recovery, not only towing, but we're also Uber. Off-road Uber. How about that? ¿Qué pasó? Say hi. Say hi to the camera. Heck yeah, man.
What's up, people?
On the stall, representing right here. Check it out.
Okay.
This is a rental car, people. Always get insurance. You know, if you don't use it, good. But if you need it, like in this instance, you know, it's a good thing to have. Let's see El George in action. Because of the accident with the Tesla, the SUV couldn't be steered correctly. So George had to get in a better angle to pick it up. Having a little bit of trouble moving. There he goes. No hubiera parado. There you go. Oh, shit. Okay, reverse. There he's under. There he is. Now he's got to back it up. Only a little bit different angle. As you can see here, we were right at the curve, and it's a really tight curve. CHP came, took the report and left. So it was a little bit more difficult for us to do this since we have, incoming traffic from both sides. But, thankfully, we got it out and, they got to get home. Ahí está, ya salió. Ahora sí, para adelante. Y vámonos.